Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word strata. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The layers of rock on the cliffside revealed the ancient strata of the Earth's crust. Strata refers to layers or beds of rock or soil that have formed over time, often providing evidence of the Earth's geological history and environmental changes. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.